Hey guys, Happy New Year! Yay! I'm headed to my mom's. She made some amazing food for the new year. I can't remember everything she cooked, but I know it's gonna be good. I am hungry. So we got about almost an hour drive, and when we get there, we're gonna eat some super good food. So see y'all there.
Prosperity, family, health,
Growth, health,
and strength. All right. Cheers. 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 Cheers, my love.
I'm like Ty, but no food.
Ty, you ain't moving. I'll come in. All right, toast to Papa.
toast to the vlog.
Where am I to go?
How's that my turn?
Who am I to be? I don't wanna know.
Hey y'all, what's going on? So I am obviously here at Burlington, and I'm just coming to get a few last knickknacks for the cruise that's coming up. So I'm looking for a white dress or a white outfit because there's the all white night, and then I need just like a few knickknacks, eyelashes, maybe. What else? I got a list. I can't think of it right now. But I'm gonna go in Burlington and see what they have. And then I'm gonna go on half price books because I want to have some books that I can read on the beach. I may just buy them off Amazon, but I'm gonna go in half price books and see if they may be a little bit cheaper. But yeah, so I'm about to take y'all in there with me, and yeah, let's do it. Y'all, these stores are bare. There's nothing in there. I don't know why I thought coming to shop after Christmas was a good idea. They ain't had nothing. So all I got was that one white dress, and now I'm going to half price books. I don't even know why they call it half price books. Them books are not half price, so I'm just gonna get them on Amazon. I was working with limited time because I came on my lunch break, so it's time for me to go back home. Like I said, all I got is that white dress, so everything else is gonna be an Amazon order. Hey y'all, see my hair? This video should already be up of me doing my hair. This is how it looks. Yeah, so cruise ready. So I'm about to pack my bags for the cruise. I have a duffel bag and I have a suitcase. So in my duffel bag, I'm gonna have a swimsuit, a change of clothes, my toiletries, a pair of pajamas, and my electronics, like my portable chargers, my DJI little gimbal, and my headphones, and my laptop and stuff like that. So when you first board the ship, they take your suitcase. So I want to have a duffel bag with a change of clothes and stuff like that in it already, and I want to keep all my valuables with me. And I'm also gonna add my wine because each person of age can bring a bottle of wine. So I'm gonna add that into my duffel bag as well. So I have all my stuff laid out on the bed already, and then I'm just gonna show you guys me packing everything up in the bag. And I'm also bringing my Instamax that my boyfriend got me. So it just takes pictures, Polaroid pictures, and they come out looking like that. So yeah, I'm probably gonna pack the duffel bag first. That's the smartest thing to do. So yeah, let's do it.
In the city, maybe you should drive a Yukon. Pick up on none of your calls. In the parking lot in Tucson. Are you with me? When I stand with the roof gone, I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Open up, you get a move on. Like you haul, and I know we like to go slow, but we could go faster. Maybe the best way. Side city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Happy nice things. Slide from the other man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get first instead. I know it's gonna make you bad. What would I do? Falling in love, you babe. What would I do if I didn't love love you, babe. What would I do? I don't love you. Wanna be the one to give you what you want. I thought what you wanted was so wrong. Right around town with your hair down low. I know you like it when I tell you what you want. You can do what you do, what you want. I can tell your friends if you don't want that. You like to go slow, but will you go faster? Let me the password. Slide, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. Popping nice things. Slide, me and the man tryna get in the bed. So I'ma get smashed today. I know it's gonna make you late. But what I do, I don't love you, babe. What would I do? I didn't love you, babe. What would I do? I didn't love you. Sometimes I look around for someone might understand it. Seen it in their eyes, said they'll never get it. I think I lost my patience. Now I can't contain it. They were wrong about us. Ain't the way they painted. I love the way that you walk and the air you breathe. I just let them talk, but it bothers me. 'Cause it ain't love, it ain't love, it ain't love they see. But it ain't none to discuss, 'cause it is to me. And so what? I tell you, tell me love a couple times. Tell me, was it too good? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love? In love a couple times. Tell me, was it too good? Tell me, is it a crime to fall? Is it a crime? Was it a crime? No. 'Cause if I'm this child, then you're my prison night. Let me throw away this heat, 'cause you won't give me up. Let 'em know we don't give a fuck. All they want is to see us break it up. You possess the saddest season never lying on. A heart like mine, better yet can forget my mind. Some may say I'm crouching, lay the cards on the table. Well, I'm a woman, I'm not a girl. Is that a crime in this cruel world? And so what? I tell you, tell me love a couple times. Tell me, was it too good? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love? In love a couple times. Tell me, was it too good? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love? A couple times. Tell me, was it too good? Tell me, is it a crime to fall in love?
It's DJ Ryan.
On the basis she know it. Sending me paragraphs, I done heard it before, so I ignore it. I'm knowing she just mad for the moment, so I'll enjoy it. If I call her, tell her to come in, she don't like Jordan. Yes. Tell me, do you love me like you say you do? Yes. Tell me, can I do whatever I want to you? Yes. Split inside her mouth, I got a little bit on her chest. I know you ain't mad, but do I love you? Yes. Me, baby, I'll be home by.
I just wanna take off your clothes and sit right there. That's it, right there. How you just do whatever you want? How you gon' put a spell on the judge? How you keep make me fall in love, but you stop it. See ya, must be saying a pre-up. I just need a pre-up. I don't need a prenup. Niggas wanna be us, bitches wanna be her.